Hi friends, welcome to LoomVN. In today's video, I am excited to share a highly in-demand skill that can help you generate income, offer services, or create your own AI-powered tool. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional blog title generator using the powerful Gemini API. Stick around and let's dive into this together. First, let's jump right into the results screen. After following this tutorial, you will have a tool where you can enter any topic, press generate, and receive 5 engaging blog titles in seconds. It's as simple as that. But before we begin, let me share how this will benefit you. With this skill, you can monetize your own tools, offer your services to clients, or simply enhance your projects with AI powered solutions. This is an opportunity to step up your game and stay ahead of the curve in this AI driven world. Let's start with the file structure. I have provided all the code on my website with easy to follow steps. You can either follow along or head over to my GitHub repo and download the files. Once you have the files, open them in your preferred code editor like VS Code and let's take a quick tour of what's inside. And first up, we have the main PHP file, the heart of our plugin. This file initializes the plugin, enqueues script and styles, and sets up the Ajax handler that communicates with the Gemini API. It also includes a shortcode function that displays our tool on the front end. We have added a prompt here to ask the Gemini API to generate 5 engaging blog titles based on the input topic. The beauty of this is that you can customize the prompt to suit your specific needs, whether it's for blog titles, YouTube video titles, or anything else you can imagine. Next, let's look at the JavaScript file. Here, we have handled the logic for sending requests to the Gemini API and displaying the results to the users. This script ensures that the tool is interactive and user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to generate content ideas in just a few clicks. It have a copy to clipboard function as well. Then we have the CSS file, which adds a clean and professional look to our tool. It's simple yet effective, and you can easily customize the style to give it a unique feel that matches your brand or website. Lastly, we have the images folder, which includes any visual you want to use like loading animations. For this tool, I have used a loader image to enhance the user experience while the titles are being generated. Final steps. That was just a quick overview of what's inside these files. Everything is already set up and ready to go. So you don't need to do much yourself. Just go to your PHP file, add your Gemini API key, and save the files. Then compress your main plugin folder and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Upload the zipped file, install it, and activate your plugin. Now we need a simple UI for our tool. This is where the shortcode comes in. Go back to my website, copy the shortcode I have provided, and paste it into any page where you want your tool to appear. In my case, I am adding it to a page called Blog Title Generator. Simply open the page, paste the shortcode, save, and publish your changes. Testing the tool. Now let's test our tool. Go to the page where you added the shortcode, enter your topic, and press generate. And there you have it. Our tool just did an amazing job by generating 5 unique blog post titles using AI. It's incredibly efficient and a great asset for content creators. Here's a quick tip for you. As we have just created this tool, you can easily replicate the process to create as many tools as you want using the same code. Let's go back to your PHP file. You will see the plugin name at the top. Just change it to something like YouTube video title generator and update the prompt to ask for videos titles instead. Save the files, and just like that, you have got another AI tool ready to go. I hope you found this tool as exciting as useful as I do. It's a fantastic way to leverage AI for your projects or services. And it's incredibly simple to implement. That's it for today, but don't go anywhere. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have many more AI solutions coming your way. If you liked this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.